everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be unboxing and showing you this DeWalt copper tubing cutter attachment. The model number is DWACPRIR. This has been out for a little while, but I just got my sample from DeWalt, so I'm going to do this video for you. So first, here's a close-up look at the box and packaging. And there's a lot of information I'll be going over with you. So here's a close-up look at the accessory. The 1/2-inch size comes already installed. There's this piece as well in the box. And here is a close-up look at the 3/4 inch. The 3/4 inch size comes packed separately, so make sure you look for this box and don't throw it away unless it's empty. The purpose of this accessory is to transform your impact driver into a fast and powerful copper pipe cutter. This attachment works with select 20-volt max and other pro-grade 18-volt impact drivers. It reportedly requires 100 times less cutting effort than a manual cutter to limit fatigue on long days. You can cut key sizes on residential and commercial job sites with up to 1-inch maximum cut capacity. It includes a 1/2-inch cutting wheel. The model number for that is DWACPR12, and a 3/4 inch cutting wheel, model number DWACPR34. You can buy the 1-inch sold separately, and that is model number DWACPR10. So not only can you cut 4 times faster with this accessory than using, say, a hand tool, I would think that the finished product would be much more professional looking than using like a hand saw. I also like the fact that you don't have to buy a dedicated tool for the task of cutting copper. Especially if you don't have to do this that often, it doesn't make sense to have a specific tool for that purpose where you already have an impact and you can just convert it and use it when needed. It has a quick change brace system that attaches in seconds and allows you to seamlessly switch between cutting pipe and driving screws without additional interruption. These are the instructions. First thing you want to do is remove the battery. Second, loosen the back knob and spread the base wide enough to fit over your impact driver. Working on a flat surface, then slide the impact driver onto the brace bracket. Tighten the back knob until the brace bracket is tightly fitted. Then loosen both knobs on the brace arm. Insert the attachment shank into the impact driver chuck. Attach the brace arm onto the bar of the brace bracket and ensure the arm locks securely onto the bar. Tighten both brace arm knobs securely. Okay, so once this arm and everything is put together, you'll notice that this head will slide around, and there is also a knob here where you can tighten that down. Okay. And then everything is in place. You can go ahead and put the battery on. And I noticed this is really top heavy. It isn't like you're going to sit this down and it's going to stay. So if you're working in between cutting pieces of copper, you would probably have to lay it down flat like that. It's not going to stay. Okay, so let's pretend in this scenario we have to cut on that specific marking. This is made so that I can insert this into the cutting wheel, but also see I can line that up on the inside to where I need to cut. I'm going to try to get a shot of that so you can see through that window, and there's the cutting wheel within there, and I can see, at least in person, hopefully the camera picks it up, that my mark is directly, and there's also like this little notch here and a guide that will show you exactly where that's going to cut. I tried cutting that by hand. There's no way I would get such a nice, even cut like that. Now you can adjust this head any way you want. Say you don't want to hold it in that position and you'd rather cut like that. There aren't any burrs. It's nice and smooth and a professional cut. You also have the option of using this as a manual cutter. Okay, so if you want to change this out to the other side, just remove the battery. And then there is a lock right here. And then this whole assembly slides out. And then you can remove this cutting wheel. You'll see one side of this head has gears, and then one side of the cutting wheel does as well. Hopefully the camera will get that. There are gears. So you want to put this with the gears facing that way, and you just drop this inside and then put it in a position to where that seats firmly. And you'll want to go ahead and slide this part shut and then ratchet it down. Okay, that's all there is to changing that out. This accessory is compatible with other brands, but there are too many to go over in this video, so I'll make sure I include a list in the description. Okay, so a few more stats about this. It weighs 4.74 pounds, and it measures approximately. All right, I'm gonna measure it with the impact driver that I own. I'm gonna measure from the tip of the nose into the back of the head of this impact driver. And so just in case you're gonna throw this like in a toolbox, it measures about 13.5 inches overall. The body of that is about 4.25 inches in height from about there to there. A couple more things to point out. When you are operating this as a copper cutter, you'll want to have your impact driver set in forward motion and not in reverse. And then I also noticed too, on the one side of this, where this bracket comes down along the base, there's a section here. This is set up to accept a driver bit for additional storage until you're done with the copper cutter and you want to convert it back into an impact driver. Okay, when you're ready to disassemble, remove the battery, push up on this mechanism here to unlock, then unlock the head from your impact driver, and then use the screws to loosen, and this will slip right off of the impact driver base. If you're interested in this product, it is covered by a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service contract, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. It is listed right now online for around $119 at Acme Tools, and they do have a coupon code going on right now for 10% off, which I'll include in the description of this video, as well as any other offers by my affiliates, Ace, Amazon, JB Tools. Now, JB Tools does have a coupon code that is good all the time, but I believe you have to use my affiliate link, and that's also in the description. It gives you $10 off, and the code is DeWaltFan10. And also, I'm an affiliate with ToolNut, so I'll include all of that information here in the description. If there's anything you'd like to know that I didn't go over, please leave it for me in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, so please follow me there as well. As always, I thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.